Okay, before we proceed, I should let you know that we will not be using this monitor because of so I'm afraid I might get too many refresh rate lines going across the screen like crazy. So to prevent myself from being sued from causing you seizures, we will just use my main desktop monitor. Might look a little funny, but at least those horizontal lines won't drive you nuts. And real quick, one thing I've always loved about Packard Bell computers is the fact, now a lot of people hate this about Packard Bell computers, but me on the other hand love it. The software that comes bundled with these things, the Packard Bell CD collection. Let's take a quick look at this. Of course, first of all, you got your Packard Bell Master CD, which is what you use to restore your computer with. Okay, and then we have this. This is has several programs on it. The demo for Jumpstart Kindergarten, Mayo Clinic Family Health Book, Reader's Digest Multimedia Crosswords, and what I used to always love when I was a kid, Active Imagination's Kid Story series. Are pretty much storybook computer games. You got The Pirate Who Wouldn't Wash and Millie Fitzwilly's Mouse Catcher, which we will look at eventually on my PC Game Billy channel. Okay, then we got, oh, this is a good one, My First Encyclopedia, which basically consists of a tree house you go through and you learn about stuff. And it also comes on the same disc, the Spider-Man Cartoon Maker, which you can use to make Spider-Man animations. Toonland, a point-and-click adventure game starring Howie Mandel. Okay, and of course the Microsoft Windows 95 companion disc. This cannot install Windows 95, but it does contain all the cabinet files that a regular setup disc contains, as well as the classic Hover game. Let's see. Okay. Better Homes and Gardens Healthy Cooking CD book. Okay, the 1995 Guinness Multimedia Book of Records. This one came out of the sleeve. Sports Illustrated Multimedia Almanac. Sports Illustrated. And I'll tell you one thing about sports. I hate all of them. Football, baseball, you name it. Basketball, I hate it. Mindscape Complete Reference Library. Weekend Home Projects. And the last one, Encarta Encyclopedia 96. Microsoft Home. Gotta love it. Oh yeah, and I also forgot to mention the keyboard. That's what the keyboard looks like on this computer. And the classic Packard Bell mouse with the funky looking buttons. Okay, let's switch monitor inputs. Analog. Okay. Turn this light off here. Real quick, let's take a look at the BIOS screen. Okay. Phoenix BIOS. Okay. And by the way, this computer cannot boot from a CD, which really sucks, by the way. Now, for some reason, every so often, this happens every few days, it will automatically change these settings under the power management. It'll set it to where if the computer's idle for 15 seconds, it'll go into system standby mode. And I hate it. I always have to go through the BIOS screen to disable it every couple of days. I don't know what's up with that, so let's just... okay, fix that. Okay, we'll save changes and exit. Post screen. Starting Windows 95. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I love that sound. And by the way, the speakers I'm using are my standard speakers I have hooked up to my custom built computer. There's an auxiliary input into the subwoofer where I have the computer hooked up to. Okay, let's take a look. What should we look at first? I guess go under System Properties. Device Manager. Yeah, there's the NEC CD-ROM drive. Considering replacing it, by the way, for a faster one. Okay. Disk drive. Okay, display adapter. It uses a Cirrus Logic 5430/40 PCI onboard adapter with 1 megabyte of video memory. Yeah, that's right, only 1 megabyte. Unknown monitor, well, duh, it's unknown. Okay, there's sound card information. Okay,